all to Think Max. In this session, we are going to discuss about the sample question paper. So already in the previous video, we discussed about the section A, that is MCQ questions, 20 MCQ questions. In this session, we are going to discuss about section B. So section B consists of 5 questions. So the section B consists of 5 questions and each question carries 2 marks. So in this section we have internal choice. So let us see what are the questions now. First one is 21. Prove that root 2 is an irrational number. Next it is about the parallelogram. You have to prove OC is equal to half of A. There is a 23rd question based on circles and tangents, and 24th is based on trigonometry. So here we have an internal choice in this 24th question. Also in 25th question, we have an internal choice. So in section B, we have 2 questions with internal choice. Okay. So each question carrying 2 marks. So let us discuss the solutions. So first 21st question, prove that root 2 is an irrational number. So already this question is discussed in the exercise problem. So we can just discuss it faster now. Okay. So we have to prove root 2 is an irrational number. So for this we will assume the contradiction. Suppose root 2 is rational. What do you mean by rational? So it is just like fractions, a by b form. Okay. So we can find integers a and b. B should not be equal to 0. So denominator should not be equal to 0 such that root 2 is equal to a by b, where a and b are co-prime. So what we can do? We can cross multiply. So if we cross multiply, that is root 2 is equal to a by b. So this is because we assume root 2 is rational number, that is in the form of fractions. So cross multiplying, there will be 1 here. In default, root 2 by 1. So if you cross multiply, root 2 into b is equal to a into 1, it is a. So we can write a is equal to root 2b. So we got this. Now we have to square on both sides. So if we square this, we will get a square equal to root 2 whole square. This root 2, root and power 2 gets cancelled. So it will be 2 only. So 2b square. Okay. The square root and power 2 gets cancelled. So it will be 2b square. So what this implies, a square equal to 2 into b square. We can write a square as 2 into b square. This means 2 divides a square, because a square is a product of 2. So a square can be written as product of 2 means in a square we have the number 2. So this 2 will divide a square. So we already know that if 2 divides a square, we already proved that 2 divides a. Okay. So 2 divides a square implies 2 divides a. So if 2 is dividing a, then we can say a is a multiple of 2. So if a is a multiple of 2, we can write a is equal to 2c for some integer. Again, we are going to substitute this a is equal to 2c in one equation. So instead of a, we have to put 2c. So 2c whole square equal to 2b square. So it is 2 square is 4c square. So 4c square equal to 2b square. So both the sides if we cancel by 2. So this is 2 2s are 4 and this is 1 2s are 2. So 2c square equal to b square. So this means b, this 2 divides b. Okay. So 2c square equal to b square means we can write b square equal to 2c square. That means b square is nothing but product of product of 2. Okay. So that means this b square is divisible by 2. So in this b square there will be factor as 2. So we can divide this b square by 2. So 2 is here. 2 is 2 divides b square. Okay. So 2 divides b square. We know from theorem 2 divides b. So what happened here? 2 divides a as well as 2 divides b. So a and b have at least 2 as a common factor. But what we assumed, a and b are co-prime. So what do you mean by co-prime? Co-prime means they will have common factor only 1. No other common factor will be there. for A and B, only 1 is the common factor. But we got the common factor as 2. So we got this contradiction because we assumed root 2 as rational. So this assumption is wrong. So what will be the answer? Root 2 is an irrational number. We got this solution. Okay, children. So let us move on to the next problem. 22. Here ABCD is a parallelogram. Point P divides AB in the ratio 2 is to 3 and point Q divides DC in the ratio 4 is to 1. Prove that OC is half of OE. So what we have to prove? OC equal to half of OE. So we have to prove this. So OC is here and OA is here. So ABCD is a parallelogram. This point P divides AB in the ratio 2 is to 3. And point Q divides DC in the ratio 4 is to 1. Okay, so these are the data given. Now we are drawing PQ as well as AC. Okay, now let us start the solution. So what is given here? ABCD is a parallelogram. So in parallelogram, we have opposite sides are equal in length. So AB will be equal to DC. Opposite sides are equal in length in a parallelogram. So let us assume let AB is equal to DC is equal to X or A. So here I have assumed as A. Let AB is equal to DC is equal to A. Okay, so what is given here? AB. So point P divides AB in the ratio 2 is to 3. That means it is given that AP by PB is equal to 2 is to 3. That is 2 by 3. AP by PB is equal to 2 by 3. So I am going to add 1 on both sides. Add 1 on both sides. What we will get? AP by PB plus 1 equal to 2 by 3 plus 1. So PB will be the LCM. On numerator we have AP plus PB. The same way on the other side 3 will be the LCM. 2 plus 3. So what is AP plus PB? AP plus PB is AB. So AB by PB equal to 2 plus 3 is 5 by 3. What we assumed AB as A. So instead of AB, we can write A. So A divided by PB equal to 5 by 3. So cross multiplying 5 into PB will be equal to A into 3. So PB will be equal to A into 3 can be written as 3A. 5 is in product. We can write it as in denominator. So PB will be equal to 3A by 5. Next, what is given? So just a minute. If PB is found out, we can find out the value of AP. So AP is nothing but from the total line AB, if we take out PB, we will get AP. So what is AB? AB is small a, PB is 3A by 5. So again taking 5 as LCM, so it will be 5A minus 3A. So 5A minus 3A is 2A by 5. So we got AP is equal to 2A by 5. So let us mark this as question number 2. Now again what is given? They have given DC in the ratio 4 is to 1. So DC is divided by Q in the ratio 4 is to 1. So DQ by QC. So DQ by QC is equal to 4 by 1. So the same procedure. Adding 1 on both sides. So if we add 1 on both sides, in the numerator we will get DQ plus QC, which is DC. So DQ by QC plus 1 equal to 4 by 1 plus 1. So in the numerator we will get DQ plus QC divided by QC. As QC is the LCM, we have to multiply here by QC. So DQ plus QC divided by QC. So 1 is the LCM. So 4 plus 1 into 1, 1. What is DQ plus QC? It is DC. So DC by QC equal to 5 by 1. So DC is nothing but A. So we can write instead of DC, we can write A. So A by QC equal to 5 by 1. Cross multiplying 5 into QC equal to A into 1 A. So QC will be equal to A divided by 5. So we got QC. In the same way we can find DQ. What is DQ? From the total line DC, we have to take out QC. So DQ is equal to A minus, what is QC? It is A by 5. So 5 is the LCM. So 5A minus A, which is 4A by 5. So this is DQ. So this is third point. Now we are going to take the triangle AOP and triangle QOC. Okay. So let us write in triangle AOP and triangle QOC. So what is here? This angle O is equal because vertically opposite angle. So angle AOP is equal to angle QOC. Also, AB and CD are parallelogram because ABCD is a parallelogram. So AB and CD are parallel. Okay. So then what happens? Alternate interior angle. So in this OQC and OPA are alternate interior angle. So we can say angle OQC will be equal to angle OPA. This is because alternate interior angles are equal. So we can say these two triangles are similar by AA criteria. So triangle AOP is similar to triangle. So for angle O, second place there will be O because angle O is equal because they are vertically opposite angles. In the same way, which angle is equal? Angle P is equal to angle Q. So instead of P, we have to write Q. So what is remaining? Remaining is C. So we can write triangle AOP is similar to triangle COQ. Then what will happen? Their corresponding sides will be proportional. If two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides will be proportional. So let me take AP. So AP by, I took 1 and third place. In the same way, I should take CQ. So AP by CQ will be equal to, so which one next we can take? We need OC and OA. So we can take AO and CO. So AP by CQ is equal to AO by CO. Okay. Now what is AP? Do you know AP? AP is nothing but 2A by 5. So 2A by 5 divided by what is CQ? CQ is A by 5. So this is nothing but OA by CO. OA by OC. We can write AO as OA and CO as OC. So now let me do the calculation here. So 2A by 5. This A by 5, when I write it as product, it will inverse. So that is A by 5 will become 5 by A, which is equal to OA by OC. So 5 gets cancelled, A gets cancelled, only we will have 2. 2 is equal to OA by OC. So if we take OC, if we just cross multiply, so 2OC will be equal to OA. So OC will be equal to OA by 2. So we got 2OC is equal to OA. Then OC will be equal to half of OA. Okay, cross multiplying, we will get 2 into OC is equal to OA. So OC will be equal to half of OA. So this is what we have to prove. Okay, children, I hope you can understand this. So moving on to the next problem. 23. Number 23. From an external point P, two tangents PA and PB are drawn to a circle with center O. at a point E on the circle, a tangent is drawn to intersect PA and PB at C and D respectively. If PA is equal to 10 centimeter, find the perimeter of triangle PCD. So this is very simple. So what is given? From an external point P. So from this external point P, two tangents PA and PB are drawn to a circle with center O. So O is the center of the circle. So at a point E on a circle, a tangent is drawn to intersect PA at C and PB at D. Okay. What is given? PA is equal to 10 centimeter. We have to find out the perimeter of triangle PCD. So this triangle. Perimeter of triangle PCD. Okay. So what is perimeter? Perimeter is nothing but you have to add all the sides PC plus CD plus PD. That is the perimeter of triangle. Okay children. So now let us start the solution. So let us start the solution. So what is given? It is given that PA is equal to 10 centimeter. What we know about the tangents from an external point? We know that tangents from an external point are equal. So we will get PA is equal to PB. So there are one more tangents. From C we have CA and CE. So CA is equal to CE. Also from D we have two tangents DB and DE. So DB is equal to DE. So the reason is tangents from an external point are equal. External point are equal. So this is the reason. So we have these conditions. Now we have to find out this perimeter of triangle PCD. It is nothing but PC plus CD plus DP. So keep this PC as such. What is CD? CD you can write it as CE plus ED. CE plus ED. We have DP here. So keep this PC as such. What is CE? CE is nothing but CA, which is E plus. Instead of CE we can write CE. What is ED? ED and DE are same. So ED is nothing but DB. So DB plus DP. So this is an equation 1. So we can write it as by 1. So you have to write the reasons properly. Now we have PC plus CA. What is PC plus CA? It is nothing but P. So if we club this PC and CA, you will get P. In the same way, DB. So DB plus DP is nothing but PB plus PB. So if we club this, DB line and DP line is equal to PB line. So PA and PB are equal. So instead of PB we can write PA. So this is also by 1. So PA plus PA is 2PA. So what we have PA is given as 10 centimeters. So 2 into 10 equal to 20 centimeters. So perimeter of triangle PCD is nothing but 20 centimeters. So this is very simple. So moving on to the next problem, 24th one. So what is given here? If tan A plus B is equal to root 3 and tan A minus B is equal to 1 by root 3. So A plus B lies between 0 and 90 and A is greater than B. We have to find out A and B. So what is given here? Let me start the solution. What is given? Tan A plus B equal to root 3. Then what is given? Tan A minus B is equal to 1 by root 3. You all know the trigonometric table. So which value? For which tan value we will be getting root 3? So for which value? It is 60 degree. So it means A plus B should be 60 degree. So we can write A plus B is equal to 60 degree. In the same way, for which tan value the answer is 1 by root 3. So here. So it is 30 degree. So for tan 30, it is 1 by root 3. That means A minus B will be 1 by root 3. So make this not 1 by root 3. It is 30 degree. So for 1 by root 3, it is 30 degree. So tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. So A minus B will be 30 degree. So this is equation 1 and equation 2. So we are adding 1 and 2. So A plus B is equal to 60. A minus B is equal to 30. So if we add, plus B and minus B gets cancelled. So A plus A is 2A. 60 plus 30 is 90. So A will be 90. 2 is in product. So it will come to division. So 90 divided by 2, it is 45. So that means A is equal to 45 degree. So substitute A is equal to 45 in equation 1. So 45, instead of A, put 45. So 45 plus B is equal to 60 degree. Then B will be equal to 60 plus 45 will become minus 45. So 60 minus 45 is 15 degree. That means B is equal to 15 degree. So what we got? We got A is equal to 45 and B is equal to 15. Does this satisfy this condition? A is greater than B. So 45 is greater than 15. What is A plus B? A plus B is 60. 60 is greater than 0 and less than 90. So our solution is the right answer. So moving on to the next part. Here 24 has internal choice. So first choice is written as A and the second choice is B. So this is the internal choice part. So it is noted as B. What is the question here? Find the value of x if 2 cosecant square 30 plus x sine square 60 minus 3 by 4 tan square 30 is equal to 10. So just we have to substitute the values of sine 60, cosecant 30 and tan 30 and solve the equation and find out the answer. This is very simple. So let me start the solution. So what is given here? It is given that 2 cosecant square 30 plus x sine square 60 minus 3 by 4 tan square 30 equal to 10. So we all know the values. So let us use these trigonometric values. So what is cosecant 30? Cosecant 30 is 2. Cosecant 30 is 2. So instead of cosecant 30, we will write 2 is square. So square plus x. What is sine 60? Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 4. What is tan 30? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 we have power 2 which is equal to 10. So 2 into 2 square is 4 plus x into root 3 whole square. So root 3 whole square means this root and power 2 gets cancelled. So in the denominator we have 2 square minus 3 by 4 into 1 square divided by root 3 whole square which is equal to 10. So 2 4s are 8 plus x into root 3 whole square. The square root and 2 gets cancelled. So x into 3 divided by 2 square is 4 minus 3 by 4 into 1 square is 1. Again the same way root and power 2 can cancel. So it is 3 equal to 10. So we will get 8 plus x into 3 can be written as 3x by 4. Here 3 gets cancelled. So it is minus 1 by 4 equal to 10. What we need? We need the value of x. So keep this x as such. 3x by 4. Take the remaining part to the right hand side. So it is 10 plus 8 will become minus 8 and minus 1 by 4 will become plus 1 by 4. So we will get 3x by 4. 10 minus 8 is 2. So 2 plus 1 by 4. So taking LCM, 3x by 4 equal to, if we take 4 as LCM, we have to multiply the 2 by 4. So 2 into 4 plus 1. So this denominator 4 gets cancelled. So 3x equal to 2 into 4, 8. 8 plus 1, it is 9. So x will be equal to 9. 3 is in product, it will come to division. So 9 by 3 equal to 3. So that means x is equal to 3 is our solution. Okay children, I hope you can understand this problem. So moving on to the next question, 25th. So in 25th, we have internal choice. Either you can answer A or B. Okay. So here, what is the first one? With vertices A, B and C of triangle ABC as center. So they are taking this vertices ABC as the center of the triangle. Arcs are drawn with radii 14 centimeter and the three portions of the triangle so formed are removed. Find the total area removed. Okay, children. Now, with this A as center, they are taking the radius as 14 centimeter. So, this radius will be 14 centimeter. Okay. So, this will be the 14 centimeter and we are drawing an arc. So, it looks like the sector. So, it is nothing but area of the sector. So, radius is 14. So, in the same way, from B as center with radius 14 centimeter, we are drawing an arc. In the same way, with C as center and radius 14 centimeter, we are drawing an arc. A triangle portion is formed here at each corner. So, this is nothing but area of sector. So, area of sector formula is theta by 360 into pi r square. So let us take this angle as A and this is B and this is C. Okay. So what we have to find? Total area removed. So total area removed equal to area of sector at A plus area of sector at B plus area of sector at C. So these are the areas removed. So what is the area formula? Area of sector equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. So here theta, we have took the angle as A, angle A. So angle A divided by 360 into pi. What is radius? Radius is given as 14 centimeter. So R is equal to 14. So 14 square plus in the same way area of sector at B, angle is B. Theta is B divided by 360 into pi into R square is 14 square plus here the angle is C. So angle C by 360 into pi into 14 square. So what is common here? 1 by 360 is common and this pi is common and 14 square is common. What is remaining? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C. So it is 1 by 360. Pi value is 22 by 7. 14 can be written as 14 into 14. What is A plus B plus C? So it is the sum of the angles in a triangle. Sum of the angles in a triangle is 180 degree. So the reason is angle sum property. Now what we can cancel? So here 180 degree. So 1 times 180 is 180 and 2 times 180 is 360. So 1 2s are 2 and this gets cancelled. 11 2s are 22. Now here 1 7s are 7, 2 7s are 14. So what we have? 11 into 2 into 14. So 11 into what is 2 into 14? 2 into 14 is 28. So when we have 11, just write this number 2, 8. Now what is 2 plus 8? 2 plus 8 is 10. So write 0 and 1 is the carry over. So 2 plus 1 it is 3. So it is 308. Okay. So the answer is area removed equal to 308 centimeter square. Okay. So this is the area removed. Okay children. I hope you can understand this problem. So moving on to the last problem. So this is the another choice. What is the question? Find the area of the unshaded region shown in the given figure. So there is a square. In this square, there is a white part. So this white part is the unshaded region. So for this square, its length is 14 centimeter. So side of the square is 14 centimeter, and there are some portions here. This line length is 3 centimeter. There is a black color line here. This length is 3 centimeter. So on all four sides, we have this length. This 3 centimeter. So these are the data given. We have to find out the area of the unshaded region. So how to find out here how this area? So take this. This is the semicircle. This area. This four are all semicircle. Okay. Now this white part is like a square. So this is a square. So we have 4 semicircle and 1 square. So if you find out the area of semicircle and multiply by 4, we will get these parts. So the stick part will be nothing but 4 into area of semicircle, and this part is nothing but area of square. So if we add area of square and 4 into area of semicircle, we will get the area of the unshaded region. So to know this area of the unshaded region, we have to know the side of the square. So here side of the square and diameter of semicircle are same. So this is one semicircle. So in this side of the square and diameter of semicircle are same. So let us assume that the diameter of semicircle be A. So this is nothing but side of the square. So side of the square and diameter of the semicircle will be A units. Now what will be radius of semicircle? Radius is nothing but its half. So A by 2 units. So this is the radius of semicircle. Now what we have to find? We have to find out the horizontal and vertical extent of white region. So this line. So this arrowed line, we have to find out this length, horizontal or vertical extent of white region. So how it is found out? It is nothing but this portion. So just take this line. Let me use another color. This line. So let me have this line. So this line is nothing but, this is nothing but radius. These two are nothing but radius of semicircle, and this portion is nothing but side of square. So it is nothing but 2 times radius of semicircle plus side of square will be equal to the horizontal or vertical extent. In the same way, this is nothing but radius, and this is also the radius of semicircle, and this portion is nothing but side of the square. So both horizontal and vertical extent are nothing but 2 into radius of semicircle plus side of square. So we can write this as 2 into radius of semicircle plus side of square. Which it is? So how it is calculated? So how it is calculated? Its total length on all sides. So this is a square. On all sides we will have 14 centimeter. So total length. So this is the total length. This total length is given as 14. So from 14, for this length, we have to take out this black line. We have to remove this black line, then we will give this total line. So it is 14 minus 3 plus 3. So 14 minus 3 plus 3 is 14 minus 6, which is 8. 14 minus 6 is 8 units. So here we can write this as 2 into, what is radius of semicircle? A by 2. So 2 into A by 2 plus side of the square is A, equal to 8 units. So here this 2 gets cancelled. So it will be A plus A is equal to 8. This means 2A is equal to 8. So A will be equal to, this 2 is in product, so it will come to division. So 8 by 2, 8 by 2 is 4. So it is 4 units. So we will get A is equal to 4 units. So we got the side of the square and radius of the semicircle. So what is radius of the semicircle? It is 4 by 2. So our radius equal to 4 by 2, which is 2 units. So we got radius as well as side. Now we have to calculate the area of unshaded region. It is nothing but area of this square. Area of this square and 4 into area of semicircle. So what is the area of square is nothing but a square and 4 into area of semicircle. So a circle formula is pi r square, semi means it's half. So pi r square by 2. So what is A? Area of square is A square means it is side. So side is A. So it is A square plus 4 by 2. So 1 2s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. So it is 2 pi. What is radius? Radius is nothing but 2 units. So it is 2 square. This means A is, what is A? A is 4 units. So we can write it as 4 square instead of A. So 4 square plus 2 pi into 2 square is 4. So 4 square is 16 plus 2 into 4, 8 pi. So this is the value of the shaded region. So area of unshaded region is 16 plus 8 pi units. Okay. You can substitute 22 by 7 and calculate, or just leave it as 16 plus 8 pi units. So this is the area of unshaded region. Okay, children? I hope you can understand all the problems in this section. If you have any doubts, you can comment. In the next video, we will discuss about section C. Thank you. Thank you for watching, and thank you for showing by support by subscribing to this channel. Thank you.